promise you guys, I swear by these three things. I swear if you take these things, if you are not lactating properly, you will start lactating. This is not a promotional video. This is not, I'm not an influencer. I'm just trying to help new moms out there. Nobody really told me these things, but I did research and it's been working for me. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new here, you're welcome. For those of you that are returning subscribers, you're welcome. My name is Tiffany. I'm going to show you guys what I eat in the morning and what I drink and all that, and what I do to sort of how I massage. I won't really show you how I massage my boobs on camera, but I just explain to you how I do my boob massage every morning, so that you people that are new moms or expectant moms can learn. And also I'm giving you some tips and tricks, so stay tuned if you want to know more about exclusively pumping or increasing your milk flow, or just, you know, I don't know, even if you're breastfeeding, you can watch this video because it will help you. But this is mostly targeted to my moms that are exclusively pumping. So guys, preparing to pump is always a ritual for me because it really does not latch at all. It's not if it's latching and I'm just having excessive milk, that's why I'm pumping. So I try to make it not look like a chore and try to make it fun and try to produce as much as I can. Currently my baby takes formula and breast milk, so I make sure I give him at least 3 to 4 times a day of breast milk and give him formula at least 3 times or twice. I just want it to be more than here, but I can't really get that much from pumping alone, because most times when you actually breastfeed and you get a lot of milk production, you actually have excessive left for pumping. And this video is very realistic, so I'm just being real with you guys, that it's not be as if, oh, I'm only exclusively pumping, I'm getting so much milk. So this is for the girl that is struggling to get milk, right? So what I do first of all is hot water in the morning. Hot water. When you have hot water, just in your hand like this, because we're gonna massage. That's what I have to do. So I'm going to put my hand, if I was not wearing this. So what I do is I go in like this. I cut the sides. I cut all the corners of my breast. I'm just going my hand like this. I'm just trying to around. It's not rocket science. It's nothing too serious. I'm just trying to just bring push the flow out. That's just what I'm doing inside. So this is sort of what I'm doing inside. So it's really nothing, can't really show my breast on social media or YouTube, but yeah, so that's just what I'm doing inside. So I'm just using hot water on my hand. I'm not using a cloth or anything because I feel like my hand is the cleanest thing I'll put on my boobs, because I wash my hands. Even if I'm using a cloth to massage, people use some face, you can use a face cloth if you want. I don't pump at the same time. I just pump here, then I pump here, because I don't want to get myself so stressed out, because it makes me feel dizzy sometimes when I'm trying to pump at the same time. Yeah, so I don't pump at the same time, so I just do that. I'm about to show you guys what I eat, and I promise you guys, I swear by these three things. I swear if you take these things, if you are not lactating properly, you will start lactating. This is not a promotional video. This is not, I'm not an influencer. I'm just trying to help new moms out there. Nobody really told me these things, but I did research and it's been working for me. So the first thing on my list is this. This is called mother's milk. This is called mother's milk. This tea, it will make you eat a lot, but then again it increases your flow. I swear by this tea. If you start this tea in the next 3 days, you would see a massive increase in your milk flow. I drink this 3 times daily. It is very, very good. It is very good. You can get this on Amazon. I think I'll just leave the link in my description box. You can get this on Amazon. Anywhere you are, you can get it on Amazon. Just Amazon Canada, Amazon America, you can get it. So this milk is very, very good. This tea is very, very good. Mother's milk, very, very good. Then in the morning, before I actually drink my tea, I try to eat first. And what I eat is this lactation cookie bites. I heard about this from some YouTubers and some influencers on TikTok, and it actually does work, because when I started taking this, I saw some significant increase in my milk production. Before, I'll be able to reproduce twice a day, which I'll pump. Like here I'll get from an average of 180, so sometimes I can get as much as 230, but with this sometimes I can get 300 ml. You know, you get very much sure that I'm from eating this. It's very good. I eat it twice a day. I don't eat it 3 times a day. It's just like a snack, but I like to eat it in the morning when I wake up. This is the first time I like to eat when I wake up, and I also like to eat it before I go to bed, because I realize that it increases my milk flow. And the days I don't actually eat this, I make sure I take oatmeal, because oats actually help with your lactation. I'm telling you, oats. If you don't like oatmeal and you're trying to breastfeed or trying to pump, forget it. You need to love oats. I mean, you're having issues pumping, you need to love oats. Oats has to be your #1 friend, because this is made out of mostly oats. Like, so yeah. Then number 3, I drink coconut water. Oh my gosh, coconut water has been my best friend. Now, I don't really know what has been boosting, but I already saw significant increase in my milk flow when I started taking these 3 things. I take them simultaneously, like, you know, this I drink like, oh, just normal tea 3 times a day. I'm flowing. This, I drink this like this is like my water. It's coconut water. I eat normal food, I drink it as water, I drink it, you know. This has been like, my baby is going to be 3 months old next week, and I've been doing this routine for about 2 months. It's going to be 3 months. I think I started doing this after like he was 4 or 5 weeks old, thereabout, and they've been helping me. So I'm just going to eat this now, and I'm going to drink a cup of this. Then I'm going to wash my baby's bottles. So when I'm done, I'm going to sit down in a relaxing position and start pumping. Why I say relaxing position is because you want to be relaxed when you're pumping. I realized this one day when I went out with my breast pump, and I was on my way back, and I just put my pump and I fell asleep in the car. My auntie was driving. I realized that when I got back home, I had like a lot of milk as compared to when I'm pumping and trying to do things going around the place. Now this video is for people that rarely get milk. There's some people that they have a lot of milk flow, so they can even be cleaning their house and be pumping and milk be pouring out, you know. But people like us, we don't really get milk like that. We have to like be in a steady, calm, relaxing position in order to pump milk. So yeah, let's quickly let me eat this and start washing the bottles, because I always like to do this, eat this 15 minutes before I start pumping. Help me. I'm done eating right now, and yeah, and I did not mention this earlier on, my baby is lactose intolerant, so my diet is a bit like funny. I don't drink cow's milk again, like, so I've traded cow's milk for almond milk, and you realize that because it's lactose intolerant, I mean, and you realize that when you switch to this like healthy kind of like variety of like milk or food, it actually helps with your pumping. So if you're having issues with getting a lot of milk flow, you might as well want to check your diet. Besides that, I don't do anything special with my diet. I eat veggies normal, like a salad, but I'm not really a salad girl, you know. I still like my carbs, you know. I just balance it. I still have eat my protein. Like, I love beans a lot right now since I gave, but I love beans. And there's something we call pap. Nigerians eat it a lot. It's like yeah, it's called pap. It's made out of millet. Some are made out of corn. I don't know. It's just like, I don't know how to describe it, but I take that one. And in my place, they always believe that where I come from, Nigeria, they believe that that increases lactation, but that I don't really eat it a lot. So I want to even like bring that here to you guys, but I'm just like, we're just having a normal conversation. So guys, it's been a total of 27 minutes. I try not to stress myself, my breast for too long. If I see that after a certain duration, more than 25 minutes, all I've gotten is like this particular amount, I try not to like over stress my nipples, my breast too much. This is what I've gotten. This is let me see, 195 ml. So I'm just gonna put this into a bottle, because my baby will soon wake up and he would eat again. He eats like every 2-3 hours. He will soon eat, and just store it and just put it in the fridge, or just leave it out, because breast milk can stay out for 4 hours in room temperature. For those of you that did not know, it can stay for 4 days in the fridge, refrigerator, and in the freezer for about, I think, months or so. Yeah, but then again, it loses its like nutritional value over the time, like the longer it is in the freezer or the fridge. Yeah, so fresh milk is always the best. But then you can store, we have storage bags. So I've done my left side. I'm going to do the next same for my right side. Like I mentioned earlier on, I don't really get so much from my right side, and that's fine, that's okay. I get more than enough for my baby. What he needs in a day he takes. So I'm not one of those people that actually have excessive flow, and I'm just really managing myself. And like I said, my baby does not latch, so we do in between formula and breast milk, and so far so good. It's been helping him, and I'm happy, like, because we've come a long way. When I had my baby, he had jaundice, so it was really hard on me, because you know breast milk is really good when it comes to jaundice, to like help to cure it away. And I started my pumping journey from then, and it was hard, and that was when I started researching, and I found things that worked for me. Like I mentioned earlier on, I drink mother's milk 3 times a day. I drink coconut water. Coconut water is not like my normal water. I try to stay hydrated. I take a lot of water too, but I love coconut water. I have my lactation cookies, so, and I do a lot of oatmeal, you know, and I take this lactation cookie twice a day, in the morning and the night, because I know that when I wake up in the morning I want to pump. So I take it in the night as well, because it helps stir up the pumping for the night. And when I wake up in the morning I still take it. So the one I'm eating and pumping now is the one that I had from last night. That's what I like eat. That's what is even bringing out milk. And the one I'm eating now will help me when I want to pump in the afternoon, and after that I'll be able to pump in the night as well. So it's been helping me. You guys can do this. Do your research first before actually starting your pumping journey. Do what works for you. Do not stress yourself if you don't get enough milk. Do not be hard on yourself. There are people that have like a lot of storage bags with milk flowing. Good for them. Don't be so hard on yourself. Always be relaxed. Don't be in a stressful position, especially if you're struggling like I am. And yeah, you'll get something. You'll get milk. Don't worry, just give it time. Try to massage your breasts like as much as you can. When you're even in the shower, try to just do that massage I was doing earlier on in the video. Try to do that, and like I said, don't be too hard on yourself. The brand I use for pumping is by Mom Cozy, the S, and the version I use is the S12 Pro version. Yes, it's and I just, like I said, I only pump one side at a time. I don't do the double because it stresses me. So I know what works for myself, and that's what I'm doing. I know what works for yourself. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, if you want more tips and tricks of lactating, and maybe to show a more in-depth video on the massage and the breast massage, leave me in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video to this extent, please subscribe. Do not just come and go. I love new subscribers, and it's encouraging. Yeah, so till we see again, bye. And I hope this video was helpful to somebody. I really do.